track with no hook. Because Lord bless me with a strong boy, you ride on my niggas. Slide on me bitches, I be tipping on non-believers. Stay up in it, the shakers, please. You can tell by my demeanor, from the fever as a creature. You can tell by all my features, I'm a beast. I'm tearing through these fingers as a beast. Come and get your fucking fist so we can eat no matter what. I'ma preach Jesus. Veteran spinner, so deterrence is a must. Pull it out and cock it back. Treat the trigger as a apostle said. Hit it in the baby, singing the family after some rain. When it is $50, that brings over, that's just rough. Who really wanna match my flow? Niggas wanna talk that dough. All my niggas in the street, they know my type, that fucking weed. The solid talking, rest in peace in the street. I don't wanna hear how does this feel like the G. At the crooked man street, got the giant in the knees. My streets are so for real, let the murders win the still hash. Miami, he can sweep the street. He ain't never seen me sleep, cause I don't lay down, he gon' free. Rock, paper, and scissors, locks, freezers, and shippers. Pots, money, and stitches, it all matters to me. The Lord is the only law that really matters to me.